Dazzlinglatte, and welcome to another grocery haul. Whoa! Okay, so first, we've got soda. Okay, so first we got Meyer. I got soda there. They're brands of pop. So I got some Diet Rocky Mist, which is basically like Mountain Dew. Some fruit punch. It's like a fruit punch soda. And then I got some Diet Grape Soda. And those were all 88 cents a piece. And then I got some Diet Root Beer, 12 pack of that, and that was $2.99. And then got 2 things of almond milk. One is chocolate, one is original, and they're both Meyer brand. And I believe they were $2.29 a piece. Yep, $2.29 a piece. And V8 juice was 2 for $5. So I got some sweet greens, and it is lower sugar. And then some light 50 calories strawberry banana. So yeah, I'm really excited to get back into drinking juice again. Oof, I do not trust that. That sounded loud. That sounded like it was going to crash. But yeah, I've been trying to get back into drinking juice again. Just because I can't eat salad. I don't know what it is. Lately I haven't been eating it. And I just want some juice, you know? Oh my gosh. I don't know what, I'm a mess today. I'm a mess all the time. Can we just say that? I'm a mess all the time, especially on grocery day. It's a mess. Oh my gosh, I just saw myself in the viewfinder. Oh boy. I didn't get too much sleep last night, so, you know. Just mayo. Got that for $3.89. That's a giant jar of vegan mayo. And it tends to last me a couple of weeks. I like to put on my burgers. I like to make up salad dressing with it and everything. Ooh. Boca vegan turkey burgers. These are so good. Yep, they were $2.99. And then I got 2 packages of Daya mozzarella style shreds. And they were $3.89 a piece, which, wait, right? Where is my cheese? Okay, shredded cheese. $3.89. These were $3.89 a piece. I think I said that. Okay. Next, oh my gosh, more soda. I forgot about this stuff. I already drank one of these, but it's Meyer bubblegum soda. Oh my gosh, it is the weirdest thing ever. It tastes so good. It smells so good. Oh my gosh, I love it. Let's see, where is it? Oh, and it's always sold out, and I kind of understand now why it's always sold out. Where is it? Should be it's a 12 pack, 6 pack. Okay, it was $1.79 for the little 6 pack. Oh my gosh, Meyer started selling my favorite brand of bacon. Sweet Earth Enlightened Foods, and it's their benevolent bacon. Oh my gosh. It tastes like baby back ribs. Okay, it's vegan, but it tastes like ribs. Oh my gosh, it's so good. It's so good. Oh my gosh. If you get only one vegan bacon in your lifetime, this has to be it. I don't know what that means, but like that's the best brand. Okay, next. Oh, wait. The bacon. What? what? Where's the bacon? I think that's it. I think it was... Yeah, I think it was $3.99, which isn't too bad of a price. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, I'm pulling out all this stuff. Okay, let's focus. Country Crock has a line of vegan butter. And yeah. This one's made with almond oil. So yeah, I thought it would be really cool to get that because I've never had butter with, oh, it is butter. It's plant-based butter. Oh my gosh. And it's 4 sticks. 4 sticks. Okay, how much was it? It was $2.50, which is a really good price for something that's vegan and something that's name brand. Okay, next. Oh my gosh. 4th of July. You know I gotta get some sort of like sausage or just like hot dogs. Okay, so I got some Tofurkey plant-based original sausage beer brats. Okay, so basically it's not gonna get you drunk. Okay, I don't know if anybody doesn't know that. It cooks out, but like it's like the flavor of beer. But yeah, it has where is it? It has Full Sail Amber Ale. I don't know. I don't know too much about beer, but that sounds good. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be frying on up. Okay, these are big. I wasn't my hair's in my eye. My hair's in my eye. Okay, these were big. I wasn't expecting that. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we're gonna talk about the tofu here. Franklin Farms extra firm tofu. Okay, since I found the bacon, I was like, I should do up my egg substitute because I haven't done that up in a while. It's like kind of like an egg beaters type thing, but it's vegan. You can like do up omelets with it. I have a recipe on my channel. I'll link it down below. I think I have a recipe on my channel. I'm pretty sure I do. Anyways, this was, I'm thinking it was $1.79. Let me look. Where's the tofu? My tofu. Ah, yeah. $1.79, which is a really good price for this much tofu. Like, I love it. I love it. Next. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Made me so happy when I found this. So happy. Chocolate peanut butter pie Oreos. Oh my gosh, this is graham flavored cookies. Oh man, my asthma is it's acting up a little bit. Anyways, where is okay. Oh wait, I didn't say the price of the cookies. The Oreo cookies were $2.50. This was $2.50. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to try them out. Dude. Oh, they look so good. I love chocolate peanut butter pie. Like, chocolate peanut butter pie is my favorite thing ever. Okay? My favorite thing ever. Next, I got some Penny Smart paper towels, a 3-pack of them. I'm gonna compare them to, like, see if they're comparable to Kroger's brand, but, I'll probably tweet about it. I don't know. These were $2. A little bit more than what Kroger is, but honestly, for the convenience and not having to go to Kroger, I'm cool with it. Okay, is that all the Meyer bags? I think I got one more. And it's the light one. Oh my gosh. Okay. So I love the Ripple jalapeno potato chips. Okay, these are both Meyer brands, the potato chips I got. But oh my gosh, these taste like, oh my gosh, the hot and spicy Cheez-Its. These taste exactly like hot and spicy Cheez-Its. Next, I got some dill pickle potato chips, classic crunch. Oh my gosh, are these like the, oh, they feel like the one, like the classic, not the Ripple, but the classic. They feel like that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that would be cool for some variety and texture of my potato chips. I love that. But yeah, I'm excited to try out the dill pickle potato chips, but I've already tried out the jalapeno ones, and I really love the jalapeno ones. Can you believe I didn't even have coffee this morning? I didn't have any caffeine. Are these caffeinated? Okay, no, these are not caffeinated. I don't know why I'm so energetic. Maybe it's all the sugar. Maybe there's a lot of sugar in this. Yeah, 29 grams of sugar in this can of soda. Yep, it's the sugar. Okay, so next we're moving on to Aldi. What did I get at Aldi? Okay, so I got some, we had yellow mustard on sale. A pound. It's a pound, 4 ounces. Okay, it's 20 ounces of mustard. And it was 55 cents. And I always love their bottles. It's so cute. I noticed that Meyer has mustard too, and it looks like something from the 80s, like from a diner. Like, it's like the cheapest brand, but it looks like something from the 80s. And I don't know if I might want to get that next time. I don't know. Anyways, well, next time. Like, I'm going to go through this in 2 weeks. But next, they had the Berman's tomato ketchup on sale. These are both Berman's brand, by the way. But it's basically like Aldi's brand. We had a 38 ounce bottle of ketchup for $1.19. That is such a good deal. It's 2 pounds. Over 2 pounds of ketchup. Okay, oh my gosh, they had their Boulder limited edition paper towels, and they had like, it's like 4th of July themed. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. But yeah, I had to pick them up. I wanted napkins, and I believe these are 99 cents. Yep, 99 cents. Okay, so they had their buns on sale for 65 cents. Yep, I got some hamburger buns and some hot dog buns. You know, for my burgers and my hot dogs. And this is the final thing, the last thing that I got. And I couldn't believe that this was vegan. It's Village Bakery apple pie with cinnamon. And I'm just gonna check the ingredients really quickly. Just to like double check, make sure. Okay, yes, it's vegan. This is giant. It's like it's a family size apple pie, and yes, I'm going to take down this whole thing myself, okay? Not in the same day, okay? Not in the same day, but like, you know, it's 4th of July. It's going to be 4th of July, and I wanted some apple pie. Okay. It's attacked by my buns. Okay, so where did I put this pie? There's no place for it. Okay, so for now I have to go, but until the next time, so I'm saying to you and your pirate crew.